We were actually coming down for a beach walk. We come down here quite a bit, and lo and behold, there's a shopper right on the beach.
A CH-53E Sea Knight with the HMH 466 was conducting a routine flight. The oil pressure light came on, and in a precautionary node, the pilot decided to make a precautionary landing on the beach right here.
I might fly one of those someday. I like military and Navy, so probably.
There was no injuries, no damage to property, no injuries to any civilians, which was an awesome thing right there.